I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside of my place, and I also found some footage of my other place. Where the first place I came here I found on an expat group, and it ended up being much more expensive. They cater to English-speaking tourists or foreigners. So I'm going to show you the price of that and give you a little bit of footage of where I was, but I'm going to give you a full tour of this place here, all right? But this is the morning time, and you see here, this is right across the street from my place. We've got a gated area here. And okay, so this is, you see the murals are fantastic in this place. My place is right here on the right, the very first one. But as you walk back to the back, you can see there's about 10 apartments here. I think maybe 12. Yeah, I think 10. And they're all 2-bedroom, 1-bath, townhouse-style apartments. And the footage I'll be showing you of the inside. I actually show you later on in the evening. So I'll be kind of looking down on this area in front later on at night. But the mural was what sold me on this place initially, and then I went in the inside, and it's pretty nice too. But this is the outside of my townhouse. Everything here is painted, with the exception of that window up in the upper right hand corner, which you'll see will be peeking out here in just a little bit, down on this area here. And this is where you do the laundry. 2 washers, 2 dryers, really. One of them doesn't work. And this is the garage. No cars. Everybody rides the motorbike here. So let's take a look at the inside now.
Okay guys, so a lot of you have been asking about my place, and I've been telling you I really need to clean it and all that. Well, we just paid about $12 US for somebody to come and clean for us, and they cleaned for, what was that, about 4 hours? How long? 4 hours. About 4 hours. Okay, so anyway, they cleaned the floors. I cleaned every dish that we had, wiped down everything, cleaned out our cabinets. Well worth the money. So anyway, we still got stuff around because we don't have a lot of places to put things. So anyway, here's my place. So this place is 6,300,000 dong, which last time I checked was right around 240 US dollars. Right, so kitchen, a little kind of staging area where we got our cat litter, and this is a water heater. So you're not going to find central water heating here. You'll have these little guys here, or this big one, right? The bathroom. This is a standard bathroom in Vietnam. It's going to be just kind of a one room fits all. So you've got the shower nozzle here, which is usually up here. Anyway, so this person came and cleaned up all the walls and floors and everything. So, and of course, you have your mat here. What makes this all possible is that you kind of wear these sandals inside. So at the door, you take off your shoes, put on your sandals, and then you can check them at the door here, take your little shower, clean off, dry your feet, put them back in your sandals here. Anyway, there's Sony. Sony just went to the pet spa today, where he got a bath. So today he went to the pet spa, he got himself a bath, and how much was it?
140.
140, so that's about $4.50 to $5 US, right? And it got him out of the apartment while we got it cleaned. So anyway, this is a 2-bedroom townhouse style. So let's go up the stairs. And this is the smaller of the 2 rooms. Here you've got windows that look down over the living room. It's very cozy up here, right? So good stuff. Pocket doors. This is the bigger of the 2 rooms here. So we've got a big window that looks down into our area here. For some reason they've turned the lights off down there, but I think I've got another video that shows the outside. I'm going to go out here anyway to give you guys an idea of what we're looking at here. Yeah, usually the lights are on, but not right now anyway. Okay guys, so we're going to be dealing with a little bit of vertical footage here as you see the
stairwell outside my old apartment here. So, as we walk in, just let you know, this is a 1 bedroom, but it's really like a studio, and the bedroom's kind of been created. Both places have a nice kitchen, fully equipped. Both places are furnished, although I like the furnishings at my new place a little better. It's got a nice big couch in there. A little bit more room in the main area as well. But here you see this bathroom has a divider, so it's not a full-on wet room. So it does help to keep the floor drier if that's a concern to you. But again, just taking your sandals off when you walk in, if you're going to take a shower, and just wiping them at the door if you end up going in to take a shit or whatever. Anyway, so yeah, this one, you can tell it's kind of on the top floor. I think it's 4 stories or maybe 6, I can't remember. But this is the top floor. So we got a little warm up there at times, not too bad. A fan does just fine. But here you see we're going into the bedroom. Very comfortable mattress. Both mattresses at both places have been very comfortable. And you see it's kind of a semi-private type of area, nothing too major. But the outside's what really sells it. And so you'll get a little footage here at the end of I've got some footage of the fog, beautiful, a rainstorm, which I love, and sunset, which is absolutely amazing. So we'll be throwing some more footage up of the outside here. But again, really the difference once you factor in everything is about $60 US between this 1 bedroom and the 2 bedroom, 1 bath that I found. Again, the same area. As a matter of fact, it's looking across to the street that I live on now. So yeah, if I could walk straight there, I could get from one to the other in less than a minute. That's how close the 2 places are. But this one has a nice private, patio, but not a great place for more than 1 person to live, I would say. So that's why I kind of moved into this other place to get the 2nd bedroom and a cat. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Appreciate you guys being here, and do what you can do to support the channel. And we'll see you in the next. Bye.